You're watching TVC News at 10. I am Nifemi Oguntoye. We start off in Kwara State, where Justice Anna Ajayi of the State High Court has sentenced Abdulrahman Bello to death by hanging for the murder of Hafsoh Lawal, a final year student of the State College of Education in Ilorin. 4 other co-accused were discharged and acquitted. Brian Malege reports.
There was a large turnout at the Kwara State High Court in Ilorin as residents of the community gathered to witness a judgment in a case that has deeply unsettled the state capital. Abdulrahman Bello was arrested and charged alongside 4 others for criminal conspiracy and culpable homicide after body parts of Hafsoh Lawal was discovered in his residence. During the trial, he claimed that Hafsoh, a final year student of the Kwara State College of Education Ilorin, was his girlfriend and that she died during sexual intercourse. But after a careful review of evidence, Justice Anna Ajayi found him guilty of culpable homicide and sentenced him to death by hanging. She described Abdulrahman's actions, including preserving the victim's body parts and blood, as cruel and a clear indication of premeditated murder, likely for ritual purposes.
Was found guilty of possession of woman parts, which attract 10 years and 6 months for with option of fine of 100,000 naira. The culpable homicide, he was there. He was sentenced and found guilty of that one, dead by hanging. That is the pronouncement of the court today.
As no piece of evidence was adduced before the court to establish the commission of the offense of rape, it wasn't in any evidence that he forcefully had the carnal knowledge of the deceased, and he was discharged of that.
The judgment brought relief to the family of the late Hafsoh Lawal and members of the Ilorin community as the courtroom erupted in applause and emotion.
We have been here several times for the sitting. We thank Almighty Allah for giving us a victory, justice, as we are expecting it to be done.
The 4 other defendants were discharged and acquitted as investigations and evidence did not link them to the crime.
The case lasted for just 3.5 months, remaining one of the fastest murder trials to reach judgment. But it remains unclear whether the convicted Abdulrahman Bello would appeal the judgment, as his lawyers once again declined to speak with the press. Ibrahim Alige, TVC News, Ilorin.